Yo, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trading GBP USD. Okay, so I found this beautiful setup. So I want to first enter my trade and then I will explain to you guys how I got this beautiful setup. So I want to explain how I got this setup to you guys first, and then we'll wait and see how market is gonna react to this. Okay, so guys on the 4 hours time frame, we can see the market is at its demand level right here. Okay, so the market is currently at its demand level. Okay, and here is the nearest supply area, and here is the biggest supply area, and below here is the strongest demand area here. So guys, currently the market is at its demand level. So guys, so I'm expecting something to happen at this level. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to move to this level and then continue, maybe break this level here and then go to the upside, or the market comes to this level and then reverse back from this level to this level down here. Okay, so the reason why I entered this trade with big lot size is because I've confirmed this trade. So we see this strong rejection here. Whenever this happens on a zone, you should know that yeah, this is 100% accurate and the market is gonna reverse. So after this strong rejection here on the 4 hours time frame, I'm expecting this market to reverse. Okay, so it's either the market reacts, goes to the upside and then goes back, or it will come to this level and then continue to drop. Okay, so I'm expecting two things to happen right now. Okay, so this trade, I want to bag some big profit from this trade. Okay, so I'm expecting to bag some big profit today from this trade. So my account currently is 9,200. Okay, but let's see how much I'm gonna make from this trade. Let's see how much I'm gonna make. Okay,
a few moments later.
so guys, now my trade is now running over $6,500. Okay, so I told you guys that after this rejection, the market is gonna go up during this New York session. Okay, so this is what happened. This our fall here is what happened on the New York session. So the market spiked up even near my level where I want to close all my trades. Okay, but it didn't hit. So but now I want to close all my trades now. Okay, running about $6,800 right now. Okay, so before now I have made profit and loss. So I made $5 already on this account. So this is the trade that gave me money today. Okay, so I'm gonna close it now. So guys, I've closed it and I've made about $7K right now. So $6,980. Okay, so this is how much I've made, about $7,000. Okay, so guys, I've already showed you guys my analysis. Okay, I showed you guys my analysis. I told you that this rejection from this level here is gonna move up to this level. So maybe when the market gets to this level, I'm gonna check out for the rejection and then I'll enter my trades. Okay, so if there's a strong rejection here, I'm gonna sell it, but for now I'm gonna be watching the trades. Okay, so anyhow it is, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. If you enjoyed watching this video, you want to be a profitable forex trader, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, and also if you want to join a Telegram channel where I share 95% accurate forex signals daily, check on this video description. Thanks.